Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can connect your Coinbase to social good app. So guys, follow me in this video and let's get started. So guys, the first step you need to do, open your Coinbase app, and after that open the social good app and click this icon account here, my account. After that guys, click premium membership state, and after that click active membership, and after that click this option guys, you find connect your wallet apps, click connect wallet. After that choose your Coinbase wallet from here, this Coinbase, and after that guys click connect wallet address. And what you have to do, send up your Coinbase wallet to connect, and this is make sure you have Ethereum wallet, and click submit option here. After that guys, you will be connected. You will be pop up under, and you will see connected to wallet here, Coinbase. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.